Hello friends, namaskar to everyone. So I hope all are doing very well. So today I have come to visit the Christ Church in Simla, which is located above the ridge. So we can see the clearly view of the ridge, which is so clean today right now here. So it's very wonder moment for me and I'm enjoying a lot here. So I'm going to explain about the Christ Church. So in this time I'm going to explain the Christ Church is one of the oldest church in North India and was built by the British in 1857 to serve the large Anglican British community in Eddi area. So the architect of Christ Church in Simla was designed by the John Theophilus Below, who designed in 1844 AD, and the cornerstone was laid by the Bishop of Madras Thomas Dalray. So the Christ Church was built in Neo-Gothic style, which is located on the ridge in Simla, and the estimated cost of construction of this church was 40,000 to 50,000 rupees at that time, according to the data. So the Christ Church is the second oldest church in North India after St. John's Church in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, which is the oldest church in North India. So in this church we can see clearly, it is visible right now. I am just in front of this church and lots of persons, couples, friends and lots of family members are coming to visit every day the ridge along with this church. And this is also the way to go Jaku temple from here between the church and the Himachal Pradesh State Museum. So a state museum is also visible from the here. We can see this is the view of the state museum, which is located just nearby the church Christ. So in this church the worship is conducted in Hindi and English both. So we can see the view of this ridge as well along with the church, and little bit there is a fog. We can see fog is also visible from the here, and but the weather is so good. And also from last 7 days I am here in Simla. Mostly I completed, and every day I used to come in morning one time above the ridge to travel and morning walk, and evening time also I am spending my time in evening from 5 to 9 p.m. So it is one of the best place and moment for us to come and relax here, because of the beauty of this place is very amazing beauty. And we can see lots of persons and sitting chairs are also available here where we can sit. And this is the way for Jaku temple. So I am also planning to go Jaku temple. Definitely I am going very soon, and I will also mention the video of Jaku temple, because of the Jaku peak is the highest peak in Simla, because Simla is also considered to be the 7 city of 7 hills, such as the Jaku hills highest peak. There is like Elysium hills, Summer hills and the Observatory hill. These are the some hills name in Simla. So even the St. Paul's Cathedral Church, which is located in Kolkata, is the first Anglican cathedral church in Asia, which was built in 1847. And another church which is also located in Goa, old Goa, which was a capital of the Portuguese India. So Sa Cathedral in Goa, and the Basilica of Bom Jesus in Old Goa, which is popular church in India as a site of the UNESCO World, which is a very big on the church, quite popular for the St. Xavier remains available there in the Basilica of Bom Jesus in Goa. And even in Goa still there is a, you can see right now the Jaku statue Lord Hanuman visible from the here. So bolo Bajrangbali ki jai. So it's really very wonderful moment, and we can see the view of the Simla. Really it's a very unique view right now during the evening time, and I am enjoying a lot here. And even some churches also quite popular in northeast along with the Tamil Nadu and Kerala also. So St. George Cathedral Church in Kerala, which is also quite popular. So let's see in night, let's see the view of the church in night, Christ Church. And even I also visit inside this church twice in evening, twice I visit in 2 days. So it's also very wonderful from the inside, because inside camera is not allowed, so I cannot make the and shoot from inside, so that's reason I'm shooting from the outside. So this is my all experience regarding the church. I hope I try to explain very well regarding the church. Again, I'm going to say about this church that this church was designed by the John Theophilus Beaulieu, who designed in 1844, and cornerstone was laid by the Bishop of Madras, Thomas Daltrey. So this is all about this church. So please like my video and subscribe my channel. And even this church was built in the neo-Gothic style, which is located on the ridge in Simla, which is quite popular here. So thank you so much. And tomorrow is my plan that I am going to visit the Jaku temple, which is dedicated to Lord Hanuman, which is the tallest statue of Lord Hanuman. So once again, thank you so much.